Alright, so this is a quick skin hack video review. Just to tell you how to get your skin lighter at home without having to buy like all these like products that are not like healthy or good for your skin. First is glutathione. They're skin lightening pills. They're literally skin lightening pills. That's what they're, or that's not what they're saying. That's what they say. And they're really like good for like liver and all this other stuff too. You can read it about it online, but that's what I started taking first. These are products I tried in 2020. That's the first thing that I started taking. I saw that it started working. You have to take it for like 30 days, but I did see it started to work. It's really powerful in combination with vitamin C oil. This will be an oil that I actually will have marketing on February the 14th because my brand teaches you how to love your skin. I'm giving you just the tools to be able to do so. Vitamin C oil in combination with the glutathione is like a really powerful combination because I've seen it like pick up the skin lightening process immediately. Vitamin C oil still works really good by itself too. Still the glutathione still works really good by itself. But together they work really great together. I used it to lighten my underarms and also my private areas. That was the two most important things to me. I also have like some dark spots from like having my bottom belly button pierced a few times, like 5 or 6, but that's another story in itself. Just a really quick skin hack that I wanted to throw out there to you all. So I will have a link to the pills that I'm referring to because I just got them off Amazon. Like, it's so easy to get them. And my vitamin C oil will be marketing soon, but you can get vitamin C oil from anywhere. I just wanted to share that with you all. So blessings and love. Yep. And then just here, I wanted to quickly just throw in some photos just so you can kind of see my underarms before. They were like way dark, but these were from like a couple of years ago. And then the very last photo is when I actually first started taking like the pills and then the vitamin C oil. Of course, you see those results now, but I just wanted to throw this in here just for aesthetic purposes. Also, please check out Blessed Body Skin. On Valentine's Day, we have some really nice products for skin and just for overall like body health in general. And then make sure that you go ahead and follow me on Instagram at RyeBlessed.